stuck on an island where we're stuck with you and we're always smiling.
Yo, you know, there's a video, I'll keep that video 100% Jamaican, you see me? Like, cause what I have in this bag, you guys see the title early, so you know what's inside the bag already. You don't know, say some good Jamaican snacks. Another bag, yeah, you see the bag? Yo, that bag sound freak. You didn't even know you had it to me, you know. Yo, I'm tell you. See that bag, yeah? Alright, so I'm gonna go to the store and get all them something and I say, yo, I want to shoot a video. You know how it feel when you're there in your bed and hungry and bust your shot and you know you have a bag full of snacks and you can't touch none? Just here, matter of fact, lie not tell, top prayer. Me have to deal with this. This what you call it again? St. Mary's banana chips. Me have to deal with the thing, me have to mash it down. I had to, but anyway. The really good part about this, I mean, I've been waiting for this video for a long time because right now, honestly, I'm really hungry. But I've been waiting for this video for a while because I have a big announcement to make. Pretty much everything that you're going to see in this bag, you guys are going to be able to get it on the Soai Vlogs website. I'm going to drop the link down below. I'm going to say it to you right now as well, put it on the screen. It's the Soai store, SOAISTORE.com. soaistore.com. Every single thing in the bag, you're going to be able to get that on the store. You don't know, Soai Vlogs is about connecting Jamaican people with things that they miss, whether it's, you know, through visual or through food. And one of the biggest things that I really enjoyed about, you know, sending stuff to you guys is when I send stuff like honey and people are like, yo, it's delicious. Anyway, shut up. Let's get to it. So I'm doing matter of fact, man, screw that. I'm dropping everything out of this damn bag. Oh. I'm dropping everything out of this bag and I put it right here on the table. Some of them you can see, some of them you can't see. I'm really not interested to like focus on the food really. Today's vlog is really about like talking about the website and us talking about Jamaican snacks. So yeah, some of you might be saying, yo, saw your hairstyle change it. I mean say man. Say mute. Anyway, apart from that, let's get into the video. Where should I start? Yeah, some of you are kind of fast and I want to see what in the video, so I'm gonna change the camera angle. Alright, so you guys should be better able to see like most of the stuff that's on the table. Where to start? Some of these snacks are definitely my favorite, some of them are really not. But that's not the purpose of the Soai store anyway. It's just, the purpose is to get all of you guys, you don't know, connected to the product demand thing. So I'm gonna start with Tigger, because to be quite honest, me there so, and I've been dying. Watch out. God, girl. Watch out now. Listen. People talk about cheese tricks and say cheese tricks nice and cheese tricks mad and no man, cheese tricks can't go move itself, man. This is something now. The crunchiness side. It's cheesy and funny enough. Sometimes it has like a little saltiness to it and then strangely a little bit of sweet at the end. I don't know. But this snack has been like doing really well. When it first came out, it was like really cheap, but it keeps getting a little bit more expensive as it goes along, and then even smaller. So you don't know, so the thing I sell good. Oh gosh. Yeah. So in the store, we're gonna have all them something now. You don't know, cause it's all about connecting people to Jamaica. Like when I see people, like how they react when they get the honey and say, yo, I miss Jamaica, I'm gonna get this in a long time and that feeling for me is great. And then the funny thing is that honey is a seasonal product. So wanna have stuff that you guys want. And also the Soai Vlog shirt, I'm gonna have the shirts on there. The website is gonna keep updated with new types of shirts or whatever, new snacks, whatever it is, you guys gonna be able to see it. Wow. This is probably my favorite snack on the table, to be quite honest. I don't feel like say, I can't choose nothing else over that. Alright. Choose something really to like Bigfoot. No fun to go like knock me and say, yo dog, like really? When I like Bigfoot, Judah love Bigfoot, it's one of her favorite snack. Pick up a spicy one, channel dog. Anyway. Bigfoot It's a good snack, but I don't like it because it make your breath stink. I don't like the whole garlic bread sting afterwards. I'm not dig it still, but some people like it. You feel me? But yeah. Definitely one of those snacks if you haven't had it in a long while and you had it. Yeah, and I haven't really had a Bigfoot in a pretty good decent while. But this one is a spicy one. And I gotta say I love this. That one is nice. How I can put this? I think say Bigfoot and Tigers kinda in the same kind of league. I told them my foot. If you look on Tigers, you know, Tigers is a what's that? Tigers is a knockoff foot, but yeah. That man's a tiger kind of foot. But yeah, different kind of flavor. If you like onions and garlic or whatever it is, yeah, this is good. Wow. And then, but this video is not really going to be a mukbang, to be quite honest. I just kind of want to put something out there on YouTube so you guys could know that the website is up. What else? Cheesies. Cheesies is definitely nostalgia. Like if you get cheesies, yo, again it's another cheese snack and everything like that. Judah loves this, but it's good. It's good, but not my favorite. I'm gonna be honest with you. But yo, I can tell you one thing. Like I remember, like when I was in the US, when I went up to work, and we go up for work like maybe sometime 3-4 months. And to be quite honest, I remember like packing snacks and things like pepper. I'm talking like the liquid pepper, Lasco. You know, throwing it in my bag because having a pot at home with you, it's different. Like now I would eat a Bigfoot and be like, it's not my favorite, but I can guarantee you, if I was to get a Bigfoot in those times, I'd be like so happy, like to know say, yo, I actually get a Bigfoot. So even though some of them is not my favorite, they're still good. Okay, I might just jump onto a live. To be quite honest. So I'm gonna eat some of the snacks here, and then jump onto a live and eat the rest of the snacks on there. I think I'm gonna do that. What else? Yo, special cream. Last night, you know, because the hungry bust me. So what I did, I ate. Yo, last time I go on bad. Because then I was just like, yo, what the point me? I save the snacks them for showing up on video and then know what the snacks them taste like. That makes sense? Anyway, so I end up just bust the what you call it? Water goggles. I'm putting myself on y'all shoes, the people who's in the US. Water crackers are one of my favorite. I prefer it over tough crackers. Tough crackers is nice, but it's tough. But tough in a good way. You get me? It's like, because I was eating tough crackers, it gives you kind of like a different kind of vibe when you eat it. I can't even explain it. It's like it a beat up on your gum them and it's kind of weird, but it's enjoyable to eat. I don't know why. But this now, nicer texture. I can't even explain it, yo. But this is just like, yo. And this a cream cracker. I've never had a cream crackers in like maybe over a year easily. So having it now, wow. Wow, I can imagine people overseas who don't have this. You guys can type in the comments like which of these stuff is easily accessible over there, because when I go into the international aisle, there's some things that I can't really quite see. But I'm getting a little bit thirsty, so you don't know. Tropical really got it on the website straight up. Wait, I have to shake up it. Shake it up, you know. I'm just rushing in the thing, though. So if you do the thing nice, right back. I'm gonna do the thing nice. Get her ready. Get her started. No, she ready. So she ready. She bubble up. Alright, bust her top now. Yeah. Tropical rhythm. The last time I had it was, apart from last night, like couldn't wait. Yo, last night, I go through most of them snacks last night. Last night, I have the thing, I have the onion and banana chips. What else did I have? I had a tropical rhythm. I had ginger beer as well. Yo, brother, yo, I went crazy with all the snacks, yo. Yesterday it was bomb. What else? You know what? I kind of want to do this on the live. To be quite honest, I want to go on live right now and just do the rest of them. You feel me? What you guys think? Yeah. You gotta stick your pinky finger up when you're drinking this. This is classy, baby. Oh my gosh. Alright. I'm gonna jump on live now. Oh, I don't even know, man. What else can I have? You know what? I'm gonna end this video right here because I kind of want to jump on the live and talk to you guys like straight up. So you don't know. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. This was never meant to be like a mukbang or any crazy stuff like that. This was really and truly just meant to tell you guys about the Soai Blogs website. Remember, it's soaistore.com. It's a store. You guys can go jump on that. Get your snacks, get your soy merch. I'm gonna go on to the live right now because I want to talk to some of you guys live up and direct. I was actually planning on going on live anyway tonight, like do a soft launch on the website, but why not, man? I feel like I'm talking to myself. I don't feel good about it, so I'm jumping off. Remember these 3 things:
Love, nature, adaptation. Keep the link, and don't forget to like and subscribe. From Canada to JA and beyond. Peace.